how do we write this mathematically? We can't use a fixed number for Aftab's age because it changes every year. We need a letter to represent this unknown or changing number. Let's use the letter A. If Aftab's age is A, then Shabnam's age, which is always 3 more, is A plus 3. This A is called a variable. It's a letter that represents a number. An expression like A plus 3 is called an algebraic expression. Its value changes depending on what number A is. We see this everywhere. The number of matchsticks needed to make N-L shapes is 2 times N. The total cost for C coconuts at 35 rupees each is 35 times C. Variables help us write general rules and formulas. You've just taken your first step into algebra, the language of patterns and relationships.